Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to customize this awesome SubliCraft glitter ceramic sublimation mug. Before we get started, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to catch more content from us here at Heat Press Nation, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. Now the very first step is to create your design in any graphic design software and then send it to print on your sublimation printer. For an in-depth look on how to use SubliCraft's Print Manager, check out the link in the description. Okay, so I'm ready to show you guys this awesome SubliCraft glitter ceramic sublimation mug. As you can see here, it does have a colored, glittered finish outside. It's gold, kind of ombreed into silver. So with something like this, a full color transfer, these colors are gonna influence the color of your transfer. So what I found is, for full color transfers, I'm not sure, you could try that. Definitely want to test it with your graphics, but what I found is that it looks beautiful on regular dark colored transfers. So here we have a congratulations graphic here, and I'm just gonna trim it up so it lines up better on my mug. That should do. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of heat tape on the edges of our transfer. There we go. You can see that there. There's a little heat tape on one side, a little heat tape on the other side. And to line it up, you can kind of hold it out over there. Now the paper is a little translucent, so I'm not sure if you could see that on camera, but I could see that in person. You'll be able to see it kind of your graphic positioned on the surface of the mug. So what I'm gonna do is just make sure that it's fitting perfectly. Now, if you're having a little trouble seeing it, what you could also do is just trim it closer to the actual graphic, because what you don't want is part of the graphic to get cut off past the edge. So this is optional. If you're having a little trouble seeing your graphic through the back side of your paper, you could just trim it closer. And so now you're just gonna line up the paper. You see how that works? So now we're just gonna worry about making sure the paper has equal distance on the top and the bottom. And then to make sure that everything's centered, what we're gonna do is make sure that our transfer has equal distance from the handle on either side. So the transfer is about yay far on either side. That's actually looking pretty good. Once it's positioned properly, I'm gonna tape it down on one side. And then with my other hand, because we want this to be nice and tight, tape it down on the other side. Actually should be good to go right there. Look at that. Looking good. That's ready to go in our mug press. Okay, so we're going to use our HPN Signature Series mug press to customize this SubliCraft glitter ceramic sublimation mug. I'm going to go ahead and put it right in there now. Actually, before I do, want to note our time and temperature are already set, 385 degrees, 190 seconds, and before I got here on camera, I did adjust the pressure. So we are ready to rock and roll. We're just going to slide it in there. Now, when you're heat pressing a mug, you want to make sure it's centered in both ways. The mug, you want it to be centered with the press horizontally, and then the handle, you want the handle to be centered between the edges of the press. If the handle is touching either edge, you could actually damage it or break it off. Okay, 190 seconds on the clock. There we go. Okay, so time is up on our mug. We're just gonna carefully open up our press and bring out our beautiful transfer. Gonna set it right down here to cool down for just a moment before we do our peel and reveal. All right, I am psyched about this peel and reveal. I'm just gonna take the tape off. Now the tape is not too sticky because of the glitter surface, but man, that looks great. Look at that. And by using a simple kind of one color design, you really let the glitter of the mug shine through. For more information on these awesome new sublimation blanks and our other sublimation products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. To get in touch with the My Expert representative, visit support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.